Have you ever wondered what drives us? The force that pushes us, inspires us, makes our eyes shine, and motivates us to achieve more and more each day. At Vanair, we are driven by technology, challenges, and the opportunity to dream big. Every day, we take new steps and forge new paths while we address the future today. Starting in 1972 with a handful of employees, it was this passion to dream and create the very first PTO shaft-driven air compressor technology that an industry was born. Vehicle-mounted mobile power solutions. For the next 50 years, it's been this goal, this energy, and willingness to quickly adapt to change that has captured the trust of our clients as the undeniable leader in mobile power solutions. Whether it's using air to charge gas lines, fix potholes, install fiber optics, or break up concrete, Vanair provides rapid power solutions to a wide variety of essential industries. These include the gas and utility sectors, municipalities, transit, ground, and air transportation, and the demanding mobile power needs for mechanic and service trucks used for tire, heavy construction, mining, and the railroad transportation industry. Evolving, innovating, and continually improving is in our DNA. We were the first to combine a rotary screw air compressor with a generator into a single standardized unit, all mounted seamlessly underneath a vehicle's chassis, increasing available truck bed space, decreasing weight, and increasing maneuverability. It's this creativity that allowed Vanair to be the first to offer 6 forms of power in an all-in-one power system by incorporating an air compressor, generator, welder, hydraulic output and battery boost, and battery charge features in a single, compact, multi-function machine. As industries and applications grow and change, so does Vanair. As we engineer products for the military, oil and gas, hydraulic-driven products for cranes, fire and rescue, sewer rehabilitation, and a host of landscape, irrigation, and agricultural solutions. Never to be outworked or outdone, Vanair was the first and only company in the world to offer 1100 CFM in a chassis-mounted power takeoff configuration, the first to offer a PTO plug-and-play wiring harness, and the first to offer a digital controller, providing more precise control readings. This determination, passion, and perseverance takes work, and lots of it. And that's why Vanair once again became the first to patent and incorporate a supercapacitor with an alternator into the world's most powerful engine starting and charging line of products on the market today. Achievement doesn't just happen, it happens by design, a strategy, a plan to push the envelope and raise the bar, knowing that superior form and precise fit offers the greatest function, creating new and fantastic experiences for our customers. Vanair thrives on challenges and understands that one size fits all doesn't always work. Our mission is to leverage this long history of experience when considering specific hands-on design specifications to meet OEM requirements. While these firsts may be plenty for most companies, not so for Vanair. Engineered with its eyes always on the future, Vanair was the first to introduce a comprehensive and integrated product line of electrified power equipment for mobile power. Epic in both name and possibilities, these zero-emissions, all-electrical systems provide a universal battery solution to the internal combustion engine, delivering air, electrical, fluid transfer, charging, and welding solutions with the vehicle engine off and without any internal combustion engine. Providing clean, quiet power, and with a zero-carbon footprint, Vanair continues to create new opportunities with less noise, heat, weight, and costs, working more efficiently and safely, taking us all further. And while all of these firsts have made Vanair the leader it is today, these firsts have only been achieved from the dedicated employees who consistently say, yes, we can. How can I help? And what's next? It's this drive and attention to detail that continues to be the hallmark of our growth, quality control, and strict attention to every aspect of our manufacturing practices. a highly advanced research and development lab that constantly develops, tests, and improves Vanair products. And design methods that are so critical to the success of a product that failure was not an option when developing the first patent-pending sensor redundancy technology on Vanair's underdeck PTO systems. The first to patent and offer cold weather systems utilizing the truck's coolant to preheat the system's separator tank's compressor oil. And the very first to offer a lifetime warranty on its rotary screw air compressor. And while being the first drives Vanair's passion, being the best drives relationships, ones we value without question. Today, Vanair has over 180,000 square feet of building structure, serving countries worldwide. And whether it's on-site training, vocational schools, or professional courses, employees are urged to take advantage of these programs to help further their professional careers, preparing them to be part of the technology and innovative world of Vanair. Listening to the marketplace, utilizing our experienced team and extensive facilities, finding solutions to your challenges, and providing the products that meet and exceed your needs. What will the next 50 years hold for Vanair? What will be the next first? Join us. The possibilities are endless.